Ron here. We're doing a test today at the beach here between the DJI Mini 5 Pro and DJI Avada 2. I don't have the Avada 2 in my other hand because I'm holding the tripod. But we're going to do a basically camera test. We're not testing anything like range or anything like that. It's all about the camera today. We flew the same exact route with both drones to see which one took better video. Now, this is kind of a low light test too. This was done maybe between an hour, 45 minutes before the sun going down here, and I'm filming this little video afterwards here, so it's even less sun now. So, yeah, so we'll see which one was the best in low light things, if you know, along with everything else. So I flew the drones, both drones on all normal settings. We were on Dr. Auto and everything. Flew about 75 feet high because it was a little breezy down here. I didn't want the Mini 5 would have had no problems getting up higher, but the Neo 2 is not the strongest flyer in the wind, so I wanted to keep it low, so it would be kind of fair on that. So yeah. So anyhow, the one caveat is, of course, this flies a lot faster than the Neo 2. So I tried to fly this in city mode to keep it going slower, but I still think it flew faster than the Neo. So probably, this flew the same flight half the time the Neo 2 did. So there's that too. So take that into account when you're watching the video back here. So hope you enjoy this test. I mean, I know, we know the Mini 5 is going to produce a better video, but we just want to see how much better, how much better is a Mini 5 Pro than the Neo 2 as far as video quality. So, okay, we're going to roll that video right now. So grab your popcorn and your soda pop and enjoy the show. Okay, first up here in this test is the DJI Neo 2. We're on 4K 30 and everything else is on auto as best as I could get it on auto settings. I mean auto kind of set the way it was out of the box. And we're going to try to fly the same pattern with both drones, meaning that I'm going, at this point I'm going away from the sun. At some point I'll be flying towards the sun, and then we'll always be looking kind of like north and south. So we're going north, south, east, and west, every direction, as far as the sun. So we see how it does, how the dynamic range is, how it handles bright exposure, how it handles low light. And of course, the Neo 2 is going first, so we'll have a slight advantage because we'll have a tad bit more light than the Mini 5 Pro. But I'm going to make these just under 5-minute flights, so hopefully the light doesn't change too dramatically. So okay, let me stop talking here, and I'll run a little bit of music until we get to the the Mini 5. Okay, folks, we're running the same exact test with the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Again, we're on 4K 30. That means, 4K video resolution, 30 frames per second. We're at auto settings as much as we can be here, and by that I mean, again, as close to out of box as possible here. We're trying to duplicate the route we flew with the Neo 2. So you see it from all different angles as far as the relationship to the sun, east, west, north, south, and so you can see dynamic range, low light, and so on. And yeah, so I'm going to stop talking here, put a little music on here, and let you kind of figure out which what you thought of the video between the two drones. I hope you enjoyed that comparison between the DJI Neo 2 and the DJI Mini 5 Pro, the latest two small drones from DJI. And we tried to keep everything as equal as possible for K30 auto settings. I tried to fly quickly so the light wouldn't change much, and we kind of know that the Mini 5 has a bigger sensor, and is a more capable camera drone overall than Neo 2. But the Neo 2, of course, has a smaller sensor, and just not as good as the camera drone as the other one. So I mean, it was no doubt that the Mini 5 was going to be the better drone, but I just want to see how much different they really were. And I'm not going to give too much of my thoughts here on how it came out. I want to see your thoughts down in the comments below. What you thought about how different the quality was between one drone and the other, how they performed in low light. Which one was the Mini 5 drastically better in low light than the Neo 2, and anything like that. Any general comments, leave them down below. I would love to read them, respond to them, and so on. Again, not just give my comments here outside of the Mini 5 Pro is going to win. That was predetermined from the get go here. So yeah, we didn't test anything out. No range tests or no battery tests, or whatever. We've talked about that in other videos before. And one of my points out of this video is I think that, the little DJI Neo 2 is a much more capable selfie drone than the first Neo was. And, if low light wasn't your bag, like, I mean, some people all they talk about is low light, but if you're mostly shooting in good light, the Neo 2 can kind of get you by, most times, or it's my opinion, you can get by kind of with just the Neo 2. And the B-roll for this film was shot with the Nano, the little Nano camera, which also, maybe isn't as good in low light as the bigger action cameras, but again, in decent light, you can kind of get by with a small package of the Neo 2 and Nano camera and have this real small kit with you. It's amazing how far we've come as far as the small technology. The small technology just a couple years ago, that was okay, but it was kind of, not really, usable if you wanted a certain level of quality in your footage or whatever, but drone and B-roll. But now, the gap has, narrowed in those respects here. So, yeah. So I just want to, say thanks for watching. If you got anything out of the video, give me the usual thumbs up. Also leave a comment down below because both those things help the algorithm make my videos get more people eyes on them than just my subscribers. And speaking of subscribers, if you're not already a member, please subscribe to the channel, ring that bell so you know when I put a new video up about the Neo 2, the Mini 5 Pro, the little DJI Nano camera, all that kind of stuff, whatever.
And yeah, and I will leave some affiliate links down below. It helps the channel out tremendously if you purchase something through those links. It doesn't always have to be the thing I'm linking, but if you follow those links to Amazon and buy something that helps the channel. And I don't have paid subscriptions here or paid anything, or the other here. So it's the only way I really kind of, make any money here. This video was unsponsored. I purchased everything. Was using this video with my own money. So the video is sponsored in no way at all. So, okay. This is usually the point where people are saying, goodbye, but I'm not going to say goodbye here. I'm going to link another video below up above here that's related to this video in some way or another. And I hope to see you over at that next video.
I didn't film this with a mic here. This is I'm using the DJI Osmo Nano, the little POV type camera from DJI. So we're recording this with the with the Nano's built-in audio, and it's a little bit breezy here. So hope this audio is any good. If it's not, I guess I'll be doing a voiceover. So, but be said, good test of the little Nano's quality here, and also its audio quality as well as video quality.